Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to download and install the DirectTV app on your Android TV without using the Google Play Store app. This is very easy. Like, subscribe, and share if you find the video helpful. So if you own an Android TV and want to install the DirectTV app without the Google Play Store, what you are going to do, just go over to your browser. As you can see, I headed to my browser. Now, if your TV is an Android TV, then any browser is okay. Just go over to your browser, and on the search box, you're going to type in the name of the application, which is DirectTV. As you can see on my screen here, here's the application that we're looking for. So just type in DirectTV. You're going to see results like this. Please, this works on Android TV. Now, on your Android TV, you're going to browse through and you're going to see various options of the application. Now, what I want you to do is to come back to the option that you're going to see, that you come back to this option down here. So you come back to the option that says Direct TV Live TV Plus Streaming. This option is where you can use to install the application even if you don't have the Google Play Store app. The Google Play Store on your web browser is going to work as long as your TV is an Android TV. So what you have to do, just click on the application over here, and this is what you're going to get. Now, as you can see for me, they say this application isn't available in your country. So currently the country in which I'm residing in, the application is not available to be downloaded. But if you live in a country where it is available to be downloaded, all you have to do is just go over here. You're going to see an install button here instead of just more info. What you're going to do is just click on the install button, and the application is going to download and install to your Android TV. Now, as long as your TV is an Android TV, once the application is downloaded, it is going to fit in the feature of your Android TV. So now, another way you could do to bypass limitations is for you to use a VPN if you want to bypass certain limitations on the internet. So you can use a VPN as an option. But for some reason, this first option doesn't work. They can come over to the official website of the application and try to install the application, or you can just use the browser, or you can just use the website to install the application or to use the application on your Android TV. But for what's what, the first option to work should work perfectly for you as long as you live in a country where the application is available. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.